Hello everyone, I'm Esperanza and this is Art from the Heart at St. Augustine's Church. And we're doing the session remotely because we are on lockdown due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, for today, we are still on the topic of stippling, feathering, backwash, and similar techniques. Now, the subject for today would be guitars. We've done a guitar earlier. Where is that piece? Oh, I have it right here. So this is the first one we've done using the techniques. This is another one that we're going to do. So let us start. Okay, for this one, we would need the pattern that we have initially cut out. So that's this one. I've used this previously, that's the color around it. So here, we're just going to do more of the stippling. So let's put some colors around it. Let's put some red. Okay. And then we can put some yellow as well. Actually, any color we would like. Now, it's important that we maintain some balance in this art piece. Yes, we know it's not symmetric, but it can still have balance even without the symmetry. And that's through the distribution of colors. Okay, I just need some more blue paint. And some more violet. Okay, so bear with me. So I'm just going to dab some blue paint here. So for stippling. There we go. That is just so beautiful. Okay, we're going to add some orange as well. Make it really bright. Oh, violet. Let's put some violet here. Okay. And then there we go. And if there's extra drops like that, that's all right. Don't mind it. It's gonna look great. Next color, maybe some green. Yeah, green would be amazing. That's really dark green, diluted. Okay, let me see if I can scrape some of this dried out paint and use it. Yes, a little bit lighter green. So just to add some more color to our art piece. And then, oh, maybe yellow there. Okay, I think I'm missing an area, which is this bit. And that is the area that my hand was covering. So let me just dab that with some green watercolor paint. Oh, I think we've done a really good job here. Okay, now I will get some lemon yellow. And kids love this bit. I love it too. So what I'm gonna do is get another brush, but not to brush my paint, but just to prevent my brush from touching the paper while I splatter some paint. Okay. Oh, I love this. You probably do as well. Oh, look at that. So that's yellow paint. Okay, now I'm gonna clean my brush, both of them, and I will get another color. What would be a nice color? Maybe violet. Yes, I think that should be nice to provide contrast to the yellow. Oh, that looks amazing. That is amazing. Okay, now it's time to wipe the excess paint off the brush. Clean the other brush. And rinse the brush. So now my brush is clean, ready for the next use. And this is the challenging bit, lifting this without spreading the paint. Oh, that is beautiful. It's not perfect, and it doesn't have to be. Okay, by that, I mean that the points here goes into the guitar, the outline of the guitar, and that's fine. So now, I just want to put the parts in, like the circle, that rectangle, and other parts. So let me start with the circle. And I love yellow ochre, so it's going to be in yellow ochre. And I want some highlights, so I am going to put some dark brown paint on this. Oh, there we go. And then next, I'm going to use green to create that rectangle at the end. Oh, beautiful. And then I'm gonna put green dots here on the other end of the guitar. So again, this is where the strings attach, and there's a screw here outside, which you rotate to tighten the string when tuning them. So let's just put those there. Oh, fantastic. We are definitely getting there. And then, oh, let's use this burnt sienna. Okay, now I'm just going to paint some burnt sienna here, just to improve the shape of our guitar. Oh, I love it. And then just paint it with water, applying the technique of feathering. And yes, if it spreads, that's all right. And then I'm now going to put the string. I'm going to paint the strings on this guitar. So strings here, strings here, strings there, strings there. And then I'm going to paint the strings here. This is one way of doing it. Another way would be to use a piece of paper, paint the edge with the color we want for the string, and then press it on the paper. And as you can see there would be lines created by the paint on that paper. We can do that. We can do that partially. For what I mean is we can use the paper and just fill in the gaps with a brush. So there are many ways of doing it. And again, we have 6 strings. It doesn't have to be clear. It doesn't have to be defined as 6 in our drawing because our drawing is very abstract. Oh, and we have to have 6 dots here to represent the end of the strings. This is very important. Okay. 2, 4, 6. Perfect. And now I am just going to finish the outline. And again, it doesn't have to be a solid piece. Okay. By that I mean the outline doesn't have to be solid. But in certain areas like this part, where the paint has gone into the shape, it is important that the outline is drawn here as well, here. And there we go. This is our guitar number 2. And I hope you enjoyed painting this guitar. Okay, see you when we do guitar number 3.